Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday the 9th of May and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on platinum, a commodity that we haven't looked at for quite a while. We'll see the charts are presently negative and it looks like we're going to get further price falls. Just before I go on to show you the charts, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. There's videos coming on most days. I cover not just commodities, but the Forex, equities, equity indices, and you'll find it useful. Anyway, let's get on with platinum. So here we have the daily, and what you can see is that I would say the dominant factor on the chart at the moment is the blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. We went back up to it on the rally that we had mid-April and couldn't get through the resistance. That's pushed the platinum price back down, and now we're testing the key supports that are seen around about the 900, 890 level, and they come in from December. Really, there's not a lot positive to say on this chart. It's the RSI is in a downtrend, which is indicative of negative momentum. It's also below 50, 36.74 presently, looks negative. The MACD, we've got the short term below the longer term, both below zero. That looks negative, again indicative of negative momentum. So all the momentum's down to the downside. All the moving averages, as you can see here that I monitor, the 20, 50, 200 are moving down. Any rally will be short-lived. It's going into resistance. It's going to find the resistance from these downtrending moving averages, and they're going to push this down. We are going to see a test of these supports. Looking at the weekly, so now each candle represents 1 week, and you can see that yesterday's trade created this hammer, which is a bearish signal again. I mean, obviously it's the first day of the week, so we can't say that's going to be the picture until the end of the week, but if that was a Friday hammer, that would be very bad indeed. You can see the supports coming in, support here. I mean, what you can say is this market seemed to try and rally. It tried to rally through the end of start of January up to the end of February. It's broken the pattern of the uptrend. To get the uptrend, you need a pattern of higher lows. That was broken with last week's fall and has broken that, so we're back in the indicative of a downtrend. So we're getting this now, this pattern of lower highs, and you'd expect the lows to go low and that support not to hold. RSI on this weekly, again in a downtrend, again indicative of downside momentum, as is the MACD. RSI presently is 39.67, so can go way low before it gets oversold. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that the 54-hour moving average is creating the resistance to the upside and is the downward force. Here, the RSI, because it's only a 4-hour, has been an uptrend, which has been good, but it's back below 50 now. Back below 50 at the present time, 45.3, has also broken its uptrend, so it's now indicative of negative momentum as well. And the MACD, although not yet indicating negative momentum, are rolling over. So overall, I would say it's a negative picture. And looking at the daily again, one would expect these supports that we saw to be tested. The level of those supports is seen at 894.13 and then at 890.75, and then to the upside the key levels seen as the 20 and the 50 day 945 spot 59, 954 spot 18. So that's been TA for traders looking at the platinum price. Doesn't look good at the moment. If you want to know what I thought about it a month ago, look back on YouTube and you'll see I did a video on platinum before. I've got no idea what I said, but I'm hoping that it proved to be true. I think there was an uptrend and it got broken, and anyway, since then the price has gone lower. But I haven't looked at my old videos. If you've watched the video all the way to now, congratulations, well done. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. There's videos coming on every day. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are just my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Please do read the disclaimer. Thank you very much.